I will forever be watching lock videos and stalking Pinterest lock boards to see the ways that locks manifest on different people. Different head shapes and hair type means that everyone's locks look so unique, and I just think it's such a beautiful thing. So in that spirit, I wanted to do a video where I do a bit of a tour of my locks. I want to show you some of those unique features that I've noticed or that have developed over the years. So let's have a look at my locks. Hey friends, if you're new around here, I'm Latoya and welcome to my channel. I started my locks in 2014 with about 2 to 3 inches of hair. I have 636 locks. My thinnest locks are in the front and around the side, like towards my ears. That was done by design since I installed small locks there. So I'm really careful with these areas because the locks are so small. My thickest locks are towards the back and middle of my hair. Here's the thickest lock that I have. My hair has always had this sort of layered look to it. So you can see that it's like shorter and then it gets a little bit longer. Right, it looks like I did that, but that's how my hair naturally grows. Same on this side. So that the front of my hair has always been the shortest part of my hair and the back the longest. So you can see it kind of forms a V in the back. When it goes down to the very tip, it makes like a V shape. I mentioned in a video that one of the things that I would do differently if I were starting over is to do my whole head in medium instead of mixing medium with small. So since I can't go back in time, I have joined some of those smaller locks, especially the ones in the front. So you can see what that looks like here. I do have a little couple knots in my hair. You can see one here. Sometimes I get some little ones that are hanging off, and those I do cut, or I should say pull sometimes, but I try to cut them when I notice they're just bugging me. And if they're like hanging off by just like a little, what looks like a little thread, I'd rather take them off. My color is my fun art project in my hair. I rarely use the same colors when I color my hair. I stick to the same family, so like kind of honey blonde, different browns. So I usually stick to the same family, but I love to mix colors. I definitely mix colors every time I dye my hair, so I get a couple of each. And sometimes I do just my roots. Sometimes I do the whole locks, depending on how the color's looking to me. But this color that I have right now is truly a mixture of colors. I share the colors that I use in the description, so you can check those out. But this is just honestly one of the most fun parts of my hair, is just making this color and just making it whatever I want it to be, depending on how I'm feeling. Make it lighter some years, darker some years, depending on my vibe and the mood. So that's my lock tour. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more Sisterlocks videos. I'm publishing weekly videos, so go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Peace.